Yeah.
Is there such a thing as too much mayonnaise?
Yes. There was too much mayonnaise. There was
Too much mayonnaise on what?
on my French fries. Ooh. It was good until like your whole French fry was soaked and soggy because of the mayonnaise. And I got it all over my hands. I have to keep using this. Oh, that was a lot. Oh, that was a lot too. But my hands are gross.
Yeah. Probably come in for some.
Does it feel better now?
Yeah.
Are you going to get mayonnaise on your French fries again?
No.
What will you say, on the side?
Oh, yeah, I
I'm
see
gonna
it.
say ketchup.
Because you know what smothered ketchup French fries taste like.
Yeah.
That's big.
Can you handle that?
Yeah.
I think it's a big crew.
You enjoying your vacation?
Yes.
Did you like the windmills?
Yes. Today has been a long day though.
Longer than yesterday.
What time is it? It's only like
1.
1 and it feels like it's like 5.
So they make us walk a lot. They made us walk through rolling them. We're going on a boat. See all the people? See the water? We're inside because my skin is tender. Alright, peace out.
I'm done.
Yeah.